1 degree outside today in Noyes' notes. This is the 24-hour forecast. I'm meteorologist Matt Noyes from the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network, and we're back to the routine today, doing it with chill. Absolutely, a biting breeze. It's here all day long. It does tend to get a little lighter as we head toward the late day and evening. Disorganized disturbance coming through tomorrow night. More on that in our Insights video, which is on our website, our app, and our 24/7 streaming network. It's not going to be a big deal. For most of us, according to an inch, maybe a little bit more in the mountains. And then some of us in far southern New England end up with a mixture of raindrops anyway. True Arctic air comes in Friday night through Sunday night. I mentioned true Arctic air because it seems like nowadays, every time it gets cold in winter, we say, hey, it's Arctic air. No, this is really what Arctic air is going to be coming in this upcoming weekend. If you like these videos, you want to support us, support real science, we appreciate that. Membership.onedegreeoutside.com. We talk about this because we have no corporate ownership, no investors, so we're independent. Your support is a really big part of that, along with our partners and sponsors that you see in our videos and on our app sometimes as well. Scarf, hat, and gloves, winter coat today. Look at this. Even at recess for the kids, it never feels like more than 10. Most of the day is spent feeling like the single digits. Dry air, too. So make sure that everybody's got the water bottle and the lip balm on a day like today. Notice the gusts today going 25 to 35 miles per hour at times. Obviously, when coupled with the cold air, that creates the wind chill, and you can see, find where you're going to be. And most of us have that single-digit wind chill that I was telling you about, even as we get to the warmest time of the day. Also, with this setup, you've got a westerly wind and cold air. It's a great setup for lake effect snow to survive the trip across northern New York State and into northern New England. Look at this, though. As we get into the early and mid-afternoon, it's possible that some of this can survive all the way to Casco Bay. Yeah, the atmospheric setup is right for it. It could leave a dusting or a coating along the way, so we'll watch to see if there's anything embedded in there, like a heavier snow squall that could jeopardize the roads, a narrow band anyway. But kind of remarkable that it can make it that far today. It's just the way that things are set up with the colder air coming in. Actual high temperatures do make it to the mid-20s, so at first blush, you look at this in southern New England or even central New England, and say, I guess I won't be getting any melting on the driveway or walkway. You can do it if you get into the 20s. You've got a little bit of sunshine. Admittedly, though, when you get around Antrim with a high of 18, Jaffrey, even Athol, Massachusetts, running up in through central and southern Vermont, northern portions of New England, it does get harder to do any melting here unless you've got some sort of treatment down. So, again, watch out for the slick spots this morning, getting out the door and heading off into the car, some of the stuff that refroze during the overnight. And you can see our temperatures reaching up only into the teens when you get across northern Maine today as well. Tonight, we go down to the single digits. There will still be a breeze, but not as strong as during the day. So generally your wind chill is running very close to zero in any given spot. And then again, tomorrow we think things moderate a little bit, and that leads you into that disorganized disturbance Wednesday night. If you want to see just how cold it gets in your spot for the upcoming weekend, check out our app. It's the only forecast you need to know. It's free and it's 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Just search for 1 degree outside weather. That's how it looks for now. Hope you have a great day. And again, check out the Insights video. We'll also have pattern predictions a day delayed coming up for you later on today, looking out through the next 2 weeks of weather.